Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make 3D printed single and multi-stage permanent magnet AC alternator. I will tell you each and everything about this, like number of poles, number of turns, and the shape and size of magnets. I will also share the SolidWorks and STL files that you need to 3D print this alternator. So keep watching this video till end and make sure to subscribe this channel for upcoming videos like this. Let's start. The alternator in front of you is single stage alternator and it has very low output voltage. To get more voltages, I had used this step up transformer, and at very low RPM you can see it is generating 12 volts. The lights are DC LED bulbs and the alternator is producing AC volts. So that is why the bulbs are flickering at the moment. You can use bridge rectifier to convert AC voltage into DC to overcome this problem. Let's disassemble this single stage alternator to talk about its characteristics, and then we will talk about the multi-stage alternator. So let's start. Unscrew these bolts and disassemble it. So this is the side cover, and it also has the bearing slot here. Here is the bearing and the bearing number is 628Z. This is the another side cover with bearing, same bearing 628Z. Both side covers are identical. This is the outer ring and both green and white outer rings are identical. This green disc is stator and it has copper coils inside it. And these two black discs are rotors and they are mounted on the same shaft. They are also identicals and they carry magnets in them. This is the magnet disc or rotor. The magnets are N38 and the total number of magnets are 10. This is the stator and it has 10 number of copper coils inside it. The wire size is SWG23 and number of turns are 80. 10 magnets has been used in one rotor, so total number of magnets are 20. All 10 coils are connected in stator via end-to-end and start-to-start connections. This is the magnet arrangement on the rotor. So the magnets are arranged in opposite polarity next to each other. Both of these magnet rotors are assembled on the same shaft in such a way that they attract each other, like this. If they repel each other, then they will not produce electricity. You can see the diagram here. This is the casing on which the copper wire will be wounded, and this is the stator in which the copper coil has been fitted. So as I told you before that total number of coils are 10 and they are connected via start to start and end to end connections. You can see there are two holes from where you have to withdraw copper wires or output wires from each coil. So this was the single stage alternator, and if you want to download SolidWorks or STL files, I will leave the download link in the description. Now let's move toward multi-stage alternator. This is the multi-stage permanent magnet AC alternator. It is quite similar to single stage alternator. At the moment I am hiding the outer rings. The discs with brown color are the stators of this alternator, and the discs with grey color are rotors of this alternator. Here you can see these are the rotors with grey color. So here is the side cover, and it has the same bearing 628Z. There are two side covers used in this alternator. There are 10 coils in each stator, and the total number of stators are 4, while each coil has 410 turns. Magnets are N38, and there are 10 magnets in each rotor disc. Copper wire size is SWG29. Connections are the same as single stage alternator, end to end and start to start connections, while all the four stators are connected in series to each other. If you want to download STL or SolidWorks files for this alternator, I will also leave the link in the description. Now let me show you its working. So as you can see, I'm rotating it with my hands, and it will produce maximum voltage of 110. Now here you can see I had connected three 12-volt DC lights with it, and you can see these lights are glowing at a very low speed. I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. If you have any question, please write down in comment section. Thanks for watching and sparing time. And please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.